In this tutorial, we're going to go over how to join as an affiliate to Locally-owned the small business directory. It's really simple, so to start off, we'll click Login in the top right corner. Once you've clicked Login, it'll pop up with another box. Then you can either click Continue with Google or click Register and use an alternative username, email, and password. So once you've logged in and you're through to the next section, you will then click the top right corner again and head over to User Dashboard. Now you should see your user dashboard. Next, click Affiliate and you will notice that you have a unique affiliate/referral link. Everyone that signs in to or up to Locally-owned will be given a unique referral/affiliate link. This enables us to keep track of any small business that signs up to Locally-owned as a member through your referral link. You will then receive 10% of their Locally-owned membership fee. Small businesses that sign up to Locally-owned will pay $362 for an annual membership. The first 10,000 businesses will effectively receive a 5-year membership, meaning you will receive $36.20 per small business that joins. However, in addition to the membership fee, if the small business you referred decides to sell products directly through Locally-owned, you will receive 1% of the sales price as a bonus. You can keep track of your commissions or referral bonuses directly from your user dashboard by visiting your affiliate section. To receive payment, you will need to select the payment method that you would like to be paid through. If you have any questions or you are someone that works with a lot of small businesses, then don't hesitate to get in touch with us directly. The more businesses that join through your referral link will result in a higher payout percentage for you. Together we can rival the likes of Yelp and Yellow Pages, who are heavily invested in and influenced by institutional investors and do not put small businesses first. Shopping small, supporting local for stronger communities is our mantra, and together we can help small businesses thrive.